Hi everybody, and welcome back to our last video, number 4, in chapter 16. And when we left off, I think it's worth reviewing that we were looking at the equivalent units of production using the FIFO illustration. So here we have our equivalent units of production. We're going to the units needed to complete the beginning work in process. So if I'm at 65% in beginning work in process, that means that I have 35% left to complete. Then we have the number of units started, completed, and transferred out. And finally, the number of units in ending work in process here at 25%. So if I look at the numbers here, I'm going to start with my beginning work in process, the 30,000, and the started and completed was 70,000, as you see here and here. And we got that unit started and completed, you may remember, by going back. We had the 100,000 units less the 30,000 units in beginning work in process inventory. So that's where we get 70,000 units. Okay. So that's going to be 100% complete with respect to direct materials. And then ending work in process will be 100% as well for 20,000 units. Now, the conversion cost, again, that's the 100% less the 65%, gives us 35%. Then we take 35% times 30,000, we get 10,500. That which we start and complete is 100%. And then we have 25% of 20,000 in ending work in process, or 5,000 units. That results in 85,500 units in conversion. Okay, so now if I put some numbers to it, we have the same dollars as we had before, 845,100. And so the cost that we add this period was $279,000 and $376,200. We'll divide those by the equivalent units of production that we just calculated, and that gives me $3.10 per equivalent unit of production for direct materials and $4.40 per equivalent unit of production for conversion costs. So now I just multiply those costs per equivalent unit of production here and here, here and here, and here and here. So for direct materials, to complete the beginning work in process was 0, and then conversion was 10,500 at $4.40 for a total of 46,200. And then started and completed, we had 70,000 units. Multiply those through, we get 525,000. And then completed and transferred out then would be a total of $761,100. And then we are going to add in addition the ending work in process here of 20,000 and 5,000 times the cost per equivalent unit of production gives me another 84,000. And if it's done right, added to beginning work in process, we can account for 845,100 in our reconciliation. Okay, that ends chapter 16. And when we return, we'll take a look at chapter 17. Until that time, bye for now.